Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Deshaun here with DTI Information Network. Here I'm going to be giving you guys a review of Andrews Federal Credit Union. I'm going to be talking about their personal credit cards and some of their other personal products that I like. Also, let you guys know that um, this bank is primarily for military service members. Although there is one way of getting in, and that is by joining the American Consumer Council. You can go to americanconsumercouncil.org. That organization is a financial educational association, and they help you be able to move your money effectively, understanding how to move your money. It's a really good council. You guys should definitely already take advantage of because they give you access to a ton of different other banks as well that are in their affiliate partnership group. It gives you access into Andrews Federal Credit Union, and I'm going to go into talking to you guys about the different products that they have here in this bank. Also, we really value guys your time, and thank you guys for joining us on this video right here. If you have value, you get value out of this video, all I ask is that you hit the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel so that you can know when we have our next video. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to be talking about their credit cards, and they have 4 different credit cards. Now, it's kind of tricky to decide which one might be best for you, but their tier 1 credit card. Let me move this down a little bit lower, make myself a little smaller here. Their tier 1 credit card is going to be their Titanium Rewards card. And that particular card, excuse me, guys, we'll try and make this a little smaller. That card is a really great card. And I'm going to share with you guys all the benefits of the cards. We're going to actually do a comparison of this one. It has flexible rewards for your everyday spending. So basically, you can earn a lot of reward points. They actually have a bonus point sign up right now where you can get 10,000 points as long as you spend $1,500. So that's really good. A good sign-on bonus for this card. The next card is their Platinum Rewards Visa card. And with this particular card, you can actually earn rewards as well, but it's a little easier. All you have to do is make your first purchase, and they're automatically going to give you 5,000 points, right? So that's a good one. Now, the one that I think I like the most right now is going to be the Supreme Visa card. Now, this card does not offer reward points, but what I do like about it is that it has 0% for 6 months on purchases within the first 90 days of opening your account, right? So that's a really good offer as well. And then also to let you guys know that they have a card to help you build up your credit. So if you are in that phase where you're trying to rebuild your credit, or you're in the phase where you're trying to build up your credit, you can get their secured card and put down a $500 security deposit, and then let that graduate so that you can get some of their other products later on. So they have a little bit of something for everybody. Now, this is what it looks like as far as your credit levels, what it needs to be. So when it says good, typically that's going to mean 720 or above. And fair is going to be typically about a 680, 660, 680 on the FICO score. And they typically pull from Experian, but it's hit and miss because some of their products, they can pull from all 3 credit reporting agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So I would definitely make sure that you have all 3 in line before applying. But typically on their personal products, I'm hearing that they are pulling from Experian. If you guys get other data points or new data points and you've applied for these cards, you know something, please leave it in the comments. We're all trying to grow. This can really help the channel. It can help other people as well that are also listening to it. All right. So when I was talking to you guys about the reward points, this is what you're going to get for the Titanium. They have 3 points on gas paid at the pump and groceries. Then you also get 1.5 points on all other purchases. And then the Platinum is 1x for all purchases. And then you can see where the Supreme card has nothing for rewards. But you also get it rewards points for your secured card. So you can still be earning points on your secured card. But I'm still going to ride with the Supreme Visa, and I'm going to show you guys why in just a minute. All right. So This card is good for their titanium card is good for cashback, travel, merchandise, and more. And then their platinum is also good for travel and merchandise. The same with their secured. But this is what I have come to here. Just a minute. You can see here the titanium card has a variable rate of 14.74, the platinum 15, but the Supreme Visa is only 13.24. It's a little bit lower. And then, yes, your secured card, of course, is a little bit higher at 18%. But that's not it. There's more that I like about the Supreme card, and I'm going to show you in just a minute. They all come with travel accident insurance, auto rental insurance. They all come with that, and emergency assistance. Um, the titanium comes with ID theft protection and warranty and manager, and so does the secured card. But they all have zero annual fee and zero foreign transaction fee. For you travelers out there, you know how beneficial that is. And then also the no annual fee is also really nice. But this is the part that I came to that I want to share with you guys. As you can see, titanium has 2% on balance transfers or $10. 2% for the platinum as well, but nothing for balance transfers for the Supreme Visa card. That is a gem. And then for the secured is 2% plus $10 or $10. But here again, cash advance, 2% for the titanium, which is also still really low, guys. A lot of the balance transfers and cash advance fees can be ranging up to like 4 and 5%. So this is still really, really competitive, even so that they have a 2% on the cash back, on the cash advance. But on the Supreme, no cash advance fee as well, meaning you can liquidate this card without getting hit with any fees. That is really nice to be able to have so that you can use that credit in the form of cash. All right. So that's what I have for you guys there on their credit cards. I like I said, their Supreme Visa card. I think that could probably be really advantageous to you guys. Highly recommend you guys take a further look at that. In the later videos, I'm going to go into some of their other products that they have to offer. But first, I ask you guys just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. You might get something in one of my other videos that you didn't get, and you don't want to miss out. All right. Also, we have a free school group community. Right now, we have about 100 members in it. We are keeping it free for the first 300 members. So once it gets to 300, we're going to start charging a fee. But inside of this group, you will have access to all our free courses. You're going to have access to everybody that's in my network. I'm going to be having some of my coaches that I paid thousands of dollars to learn from come on and share some of their helpful information. You'll also have access to some of my other people in my network that I use on a daily basis, like my ADP reps, my Verizon reps, some of my banking relationship managers will also be inside of this group. And so some of my friends and some of my colleagues as well. So highly recommend you guys come over there, check out the group, see if you like it. It's completely free for right now. And we're vetting some people and letting you in. It shouldn't be too hard to be able to get in. You can also see some of the things that we're talking about as far as helping you build out your personal credit, build out your business credit, and then helping you be able to acquire cash flowing assets. So if that sounds like a group you want to be a part of and you want to learn more from, and if you have some insight you want to be able to provide it to the group, we also welcome you guys to join for that reason as well. All right. So once again, thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys got value out of Andrews Federal Credit Union and their personal credit cards on that comparison. Once again, I let you guys know which one I like. And just remember that you're going to want to make sure that all three of your credit reporting scores are definitely within the 680 range to be able to take advantage of their products. Okay. And also, if you're not a military member, once again, join the American Consumer Council so that you can get access into this bank. Until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.